How to add a checkout button to your Shopify store. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you how to achieve this easily step by step. Now, what do I mean by checkout button? I mean a button that is going to redirect to the checkout page for a specific product instead of, going through the cart and so on. It's just going to be a direct button to checkout. So how do we actually get this? First, you will need to just go to the apps section from the bottom left. Go ahead and open this up, and then we can just go to all recommended apps. And it is actually an app from Shopify themselves, so it is for free. So just click on Shopify App Store and let's search for it. So it's going to be called Buy Button Channel. So just go in and search for Buy Button Channel, and you should find it right away. It's this one right here. And then we can just go and click on install, and let's just go and install this to our store, and then we can set up the button that we actually want. Now there is going to be a button for each specific product, so we can just go ahead and get started right away. Click on create a buy button, and then here we would want to select a product buy button for this to work. And then I'm just going to select this test product as an example here. So now that we have this, we can set up the layout first, because we are going to actually embed this as an HTML, so it's going to look like this exactly. So if you want it to be just a button, we can just go for the basic one. And then here you want to basically select the action when people click to direct to checkout. So make sure you set this up, otherwise it's useless. It's just going to be any other button which is going to add to cart and so on. But we want to have the direct to checkout. And then you can feel free to click on button style here, and you can just set up the corners, you can set up the width of the actual button, and you can also set up the colors. So if you have brand colors you want to stick to, you can feel free to change this around to your liking. I'm just going to leave it as red for the time being. Then we can just go in and exit out of here, and we can also set up the text. So let's just go ahead and make it a little bit more unique here. And then we can also set up the font and all of those things. So feel free to set it up to your liking. Now, once this is done, we can just go ahead and exit out of here again. And we can just, we're pretty much done, I believe. So we can just click on next on the top right, and we should get this code. So you basically want to copy this code, and then you can just go to any page and paste it in, and it's just going to add that in here in the actual page. So let's just go back, and we can just go to pages. Let's just go ahead and create a new test page. So add page, and we can just do checkout button. And then from the content here, you want to select this show HTML option. And once this is actually shown here for us, you want to paste in the code, and you can just go ahead and add whatever you want in the content as well. But I'm just going to leave it empty for the time being. I'm just going to click on save. Now, once we click on save, we can just click on view page, and it should actually include the button in here. It does take a little bit of time to load. And if someone just clicks on this, it's actually going to take them to checkout. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.